Hello and welcome. In today's video, where I'll show you how to change your profile picture on WhatsApp quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. At the top of the settings screen, tap on your current profile picture. Now, from your profile, tap on Edit under your profile picture. If prompted, just allow WhatsApp permission to access your photos. Then here, you'll have a few options. Camera to take a new photo. Gallery to choose a photo from your phone. Avatar to set a WhatsApp avatar. Or select from Instagram or Facebook. In this video, I'll use Gallery. Once you open it, just select the photo you want to use. After choosing we're taking a photo, adjust and crop it if needed, then tap Done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.